Memory. Memory is of declarative and non-declarative types. Declarative is explainable, and non-declarative memory is we can't explain but just do things. So declarative memory is of two types: semantic and episodic. Semantic means factual. Episodic means memory of an event. And semantic memory is stored in prefrontal cortex and temporal cortex, that is lateral and anterior part of temporal cortex. And episodic memory is stored in hippocampus and medial temporal lobe and neocortex. And coming to non-declarative memory, they are of four types: procedural, priming and perceptual, and associative learning and non-associative learning. Procedural, it is the memory of skills, habits. It is stored in striatum, that is basal ganglia, and cerebellum and motor cortex. It is an association between behavior and its consequence. This memory is learning, is nothing but learning by doing. That memory is stored in striatum, cerebellum and motor cortex, like surgery, driving, etc. Priming and perceptual memory, it is controlled by neocortex. Associative, especially visual and auditory associative cortex. It is nothing but a faster or more efficient processing. Neocortex. Priming and perceptual learning is mediated by neocortex. It is nothing but faster or more efficient processing of stimulus due to prior exposure. So if we done things first, then doing it the second time it becomes easier. That memory is stored in neocortex, associative areas of cortex. So the other two are associative learning and non-associative learning. Associative learning is learning things by connecting things. It is stored in amygdala and cerebellum. It links to stimulus or stimulus with response, like Pavlov's dog. Bell ringing leads to salivation. It is a conditioning memory. It is an example of classical conditions. Non-associative learning is unlearning unimportant things and emphasizing threatening or harmful or strong stimulus, and increases its response for it, like habituation and sensitization. Habituation is nothing but on repetitive stimulus, the response to it reduces. Like we won't feel the clots on our body, we won't sense the watch on our wrist by repetitive using of it. So this happens because to help brain focus on more important things than unimportant things. And sensitization is like any strong or harmful stimulus once happens, we get sensitized to it, and even a very minor stimulus of it may stimulate it strongly. That sensitizes us for the harmful and important stimulus. This is memory. Nothing but a long-standing change in behavior caused by experience. At a neurological level, learning means a change in synaptic strength, either increase or decrease in neurotransmitter release, receptor density or excitability. This is learning at neuronal level. Thank you.